Hi, this is Saoirse, coming to you from inside Shrewsbury Abbey on the trail of Cadfael, Brother Cadfael. Really Shrewsbury Abbey, and it was founded in 1083. That's over 1,000 years ago, and it's still here. And I'll show you some of the things that we have here. There's a great pipe organ that's not that old. But the area that we're in right now is the Norman time period. So it was founded in 1083 by Roger de Montgomery he was one of the heroes of Hastings and second in command to Billy the Conk. And so anyway, this is really pretty. There really isn't that much left of the Abbey itself. It's just mainly the church here, or the cathedral part. And if you come over here, this down here is original flooring from 1,000 years ago. You can see the tile work there, it's really nice. And I'm being a bit quiet because the lady chapel over here is actually in use right now. So people are offering up prayers. But again, this is the Norman bit. Here's some more artifacts and old font. So, okay, yeah, only just one person's praying now. So. That's the Lady Chapel. And so we'll come this way, and I'll show you this bit here. If you look right here, this is your man Earl Roger de Montgomery. In 1094 he was placed here, and this is his effigy. So, I'm not sure if that's coming up backwards on this one or not, like Facebook. But anyway, so that's a bit. There's some more famous people over there, including the Alfords. But I'm just going to go over here this way, and we'll show you St Winifred, which, if you remember from the Cadfael adventures, St Winifred was the relics that they brought from Wales. And you can see St Winifred the martyr, and these here, those are knights, and then this is her font. So you can see that there it is. And this is her effigy here. So I'm not totally sure if the bones themselves are here, because the relics were with the grave robbers and such over there. So anyway, I just putting that up there for you. And then the only other thing that's really cool is this is a famous person from Shrewsbury, and that's a big deal. And the other thing that's really nice is this capital here is from the Roman town of Exeter that we went to yesterday. And then the font cover is Victorian, but it's really well detailed with the woodwork and stuff. So. Brother Cadfael and everyone. So, here's Shaniga Fall, Slananis.